Hi, my dear children. Today our teaching topic is Introduction to Trigonometry. Today teaching topic, what is trigonometry? What are basic trigonometric ratios? What are reciprocal ratios of trigonometry? Prerequisite knowledge. What is the right angled triangle? Number 2. Name the parts of the right angled triangle. Name some Greek alphabet. Pythagoras theorem. Trigonometry. Tri means 3. Gono means angles. Metry means metron, it is measurement. Hipparchus is considered the greatest astronomical observer and by some of the greatest astronomer of antiquity. He was the first Greek to develop the quantitative and accurate model for the motion of the sun and moon. With his solar and lunar theories and his numerical trigonometry, he was probably the first to develop a reliable method to predict solar eclipses. Right angled triangle. This is a simple recap. In a triangle, if one angle is 90 degrees and other two are acute angles, then the triangle is called a right angled triangle. Name the parts of the right angled triangle. The longest side in the right angled triangle is called hypotenuse. Opposite to the given angle is opposite side. The adjacent side is next to the given angle. Hypotenuse, and that is opposite, and then down one is very near to theta is adjacent side. Now some Greek alphabet. My dear children, observe on the screen. In this topic we use alpha, beta, gamma, theta, pi. Pythagoras theorem. In a right angled triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Activity. Keeping the angles constant in the right angle triangle, does the ratio of the sides of similar triangle formed by changing the lengths of other two sides, adjacent sides? My dear children, observe. Unless and until we change the angle, the value on the screen which is seen will not be changed. If we change the angle, the value will be changed. See, all the trigonometric ratio angles will not be changed if we did not change the angle. We can do and check this activity in our notebook. basic trigonometric ratios. The ratio of the lengths of the sides of opposite side and hypotenuse is named as sine of angle A. Shortly, we read as sine A is equals to opposite by hypotenuse is equals to BC by AC. Now, next, the ratio of the length of the sides of adjacent side and hypotenuse is named as cosine of angle A. But shortly, we read as cos A is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse, that is equals to AB by AC. Now, the ratio of the lengths of the sides of opposite side and adjacent side is named as tangent of angle A. Shortly, we read as tan A is equals to opposite by adjacent, that is equals to BC by AB. Now, reciprocals of basic trigonometric ratios. Reciprocal ratio of sine of angle A is called cosecant angle of A. Shortly, we read as cosec A is equals to 1 by sine A. That is equals to cosec A is equals to hypotenuse by opposite side is equals to AC by BC. Reciprocal ratio of cosine of angle A is called secant angle of A. Shortly, we read as secant A is equals to 1 by cos A. Secant A is equals to hypotenuse by adjacent is equals to AC by AB. Reciprocal ratio of tangent of angle A is called cotangent angle of A. Shortly, we read as tan A is equals to 1 by cot A. Cot A is equals to adjacent side by opposite side is equals to AB by BC. Now recap. Sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A, cot A. Once again, sin theta. We replaced angle A with theta. Sin theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Now, my dear children, remember very well mnemonic 1. Pandit Badri Prasad Hara Hara Bole. P stands for perpendicular, B stands for base, H stands for hypotenuse. Mnemonic 2. When we feel a sudden pain in waist, what we say? Oh, that is OAHO. First one to third one. O by H is sin theta. A by H is cos theta. First and second. O by A is opposite by adjacent is nothing but tan. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Mnemonic 3. So, ka, to. This is a very famous mnemonic. My dear children, observe on the screen. So means some old hippie caught another hippie tripping on acid. S is equals to O by H, C is equals to A by H, T is equals to O by A. You remember, so caught to. Then all the three basic ratios will come into your brain. Adopt any one of the three in which you are interested. Reciprocal ratios recap. 1 by sin theta is equals to cosec theta. Hypotenuse by opposite. 1 by cos theta is equals to sec theta is equals to hypotenuse by adjacent. 1 by tan theta is equals to cot theta is equals to adjacent side by opposite side. Now let us discuss some problems. 1. If tan theta is equals to 3 by 4, then find sin theta. Now take a right angle triangle. Given data is 3 by 4, that is opposite by adjacent. Hypotenuse is not given. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse square is equals to 3 square plus 4 square. Hypotenuse square is equals to root of 5 square. That is, hypotenuse is equals to 5. Implies sin theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 3, hypotenuse is 5. Sin theta is equals to 3 by 5. In the given next problem, observe the data on the screen, my dear children. In triangle PQR, PQ is equals to 7 centimeters, QR is equals to 25 centimeters, angle P is 90 degrees, then find tan Q minus tan R. Tan theta is equals to, we know, opposite by adjacent. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Now, hypotenuse square 25 square is equals to opposite square plus 7 square. 625 is equals to opposite square plus 49. Then opposite square is equals to 576. Then opposite is equals to root of 576 is equals to 24. Now we got opposite side length as 24. Now, in terms of angle Q, mnemonic, in terms of angle Q mean, consider Q as a parent to name the parts of the triangle PQR. That is, opposite to Q is opposite side, adjacent to Q is adjacent side. Now, tan Q is equals to opposite by adjacent, that is equals to 24 by 7. Now, in the same triangle, in terms of angle R, again keep in memory mnemonic. In terms of angle R mean, consider R as the parent to name the triangle PQR. That is, opposite to R is opposite side now. Adjacent to R is adjacent side now. Tan R is equals to opposite by adjacent, that is equals to now 7 by 24. What is given? Tan Q minus tan R is equals to 24 by 7 minus 7 by 24. Take LCM. 24 7s are 168. 576 minus 49 is equals to 527 by 168. Evaluation. My dear children, observe some problems on the screen. Try to do on your own. If you did not get, please ask your class teacher. Thank you.